Tinnitus is a very common problem, experienced by over 50 million Americans every year, which is about 15% of the population. This condition has been associated with hearing damage caused by exposure to loud noises. But research has shown that the brain has a major role to play in the development of tinnitus. Inflammation in the brain is mainly to blame, as it affects the transmission of auditory signals, leading to imperfect sound perception. This results in you hearing buzzing and ringing noises in your ears, even when it's all quiet around you. If you've been battling tinnitus without much success, you should watch this Synapse Xt review to the end. Synapse Xt is a supplement made to supercharge brain function and, in the process, helps with sound perception. Can it help you regain the long-lost peace and sound hearing? Keep on watching to find out. Who is Synapse Xt made for? Synapse Xt is made to be used by people who are suffering from tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition that leads to a false perception of buzzing, whooshing, and ringing sounds in the ears. This can be a very frustrating problem, especially when it's chronic or frequent. Not only does it disturb your peace of mind, but it also gradually leads to hearing loss. If your tinnitus is making it hard for you to hear what everyone around you is saying, you should use Synapse Xt. The good thing with Synapse Xt is that it doesn't just temporarily reduce the symptoms of tinnitus. Instead, it deals with the root cause of the problem, hence providing a lasting effect. Before moving ahead, if you want to get the best deal on Synapse Xt from the official website, do check out the link in my description box or comment box below. Watch this video to the end to know whether Synapse Xt is for you or not. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future review. Synapse Xt Review, Overview of the supplement. Synapse Xt is a dietary supplement made using 8 natural ingredients. Each ingredient is chosen for its ability to boost brain health, function, and overall body wellness. Most of the ingredients used also have an antioxidant effect that helps detoxify the brain, helping to re-establish healthy neural connections. By doing this, Synapse Xt helps to improve overall brain health, and this improves hearing. This supplement is able to provide good results to users because instead of treating tinnitus as a problem by itself, it's treated as what it really is, which is a symptom of brain issues. Click the link in the description box or comment box below to get the best deal on Synapse Xt from the official website. Pros and cons. Pros: it's 100% natural. Reduces severity of tinnitus. Improves cognitive function. Cleanses the brain. Decreases anxiety. Has a 60-day money-back guarantee. You'll get a 60-day money-back guarantee when you buy Synapse Xt. This gives you 2 months to see whether the supplement works for you. If you're not satisfied, you can get a full price refund within 60 days of making your purchase. Cons. Can only be purchased online. This supplement can only be purchased online from the official website. You cannot get it at a store near you. Requires prolonged and regular use for best results. You can only benefit from the full effects of Synapse Xt if you use it on a daily basis for a while, preferably not less than 2 to 3 months. What will you get when you buy Synapse Xt? Synapse Xt comes in the form of capsules that are sold in a bottle. Each bottle contains 60 of these pills. Each pill contains a blend of 8 natural ingredients. These work together to improve brain health and reduce tinnitus. A single bottle is enough for a month's supply of the supplement. You don't need a prescription to buy Synapse Xt. This is because it's a dietary supplement, not a pharmaceutical drug. How Synapse Xt works. Synapse works methodically to ensure that it addresses all the reasons behind tinnitus. Here's a breakdown of the 4 stages through which Synapse Xt works. Stage 1: detoxification of the brain. Inflammation in the brain is what slows down neural communication, and this leads to tinnitus. This inflammation is caused by a buildup of toxins in the brain. Stage 2: boosting of cognitive function. When you develop tinnitus, your cognitive functions are undermined. First, because of the brain inflammation, and second, because of the incessant noises inside your head. Stage 3, mood regulation. Frustration, anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem are some of the mental challenges you may go through when you have tinnitus. Stage 4, improvement of brain health. Synapse Xt improves overall brain function thanks to its detoxification capability. Click on the link in the description box or comment box below to learn more about how Synapse Xt works on the official website. Synapse Xt ingredients. This supplement contains a total of 8 ingredients. They're all natural and work together to diminish tinnitus and improve brain health. Here they are: juniper berry. Juniper berry has strong antioxidant activity that helps to get rid of free radicals and other toxins in the brain. Hawthorn berry. Hawthorn berry works alongside juniper berry for advanced antioxidant activity. It also helps to rid the brain of toxins that cause inflammation. Hibiscus. This ingredient helps to solve inflammation in the brain while also regulating mood and reducing depression. Vitamin C, known for its unrivaled benefits for the immune system, vitamin C is also included in Synapse Xt. While making your brain more formidable against illnesses, it also boosts mood. Vitamin B. Vitamin B boosts the activity of the neurotransmitters and also helps prevent age-related mental decline. This nutrient also directly improves hearing. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that work to prevent oxidative damage, flush out toxins, and promote a healthy gut. Magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve mood. This reduces depression and anxiety associated with tinnitus. Garlic. Garlic contains plant compounds that have both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activity. It, therefore, works to reduce inflammation in the brain, leading to a reduction in tinnitus symptoms. What are the benefits of using Synapse Xt? Here are some of the benefits of using Synapse Xt. Improves brain health. Helps reduce tinnitus symptoms. Boosts immunity. Improves focus. Easy to use. Does Synapse Xt have any side effects? Since no other chemicals or synthetic substances are included, this makes Synapse Xt free of side effects. However, it may have negative reactions if you fail to use it correctly. Who should avoid using Synapse Xt? Synapse Xt is not for use by kids below the age of 18. Pregnant women and lactating mothers should also refrain from using this product. The same goes if you have any existing medical condition or are using any type of medication. In such a case, make sure to consult your physician first. Synapse Xt dosage. The recommended dosage for Synapse Xt is 2 pills daily. That'll give you enough of the 8 ingredients to boost your brain health and combat tinnitus. Where to buy Synapse Xt and guarantees? Synapse Xt is only available for sale on the official website. If you find it on sale on other sites on the internet, you should avoid them and only buy from the official site. This is where you'll get the genuine product at the best prices, complete with massive discounts. These are the prices for the different bundles of Synapse Xt on the official website. A single bottle goes for $69. If you buy this, you'll need to pay an additional $7.95 fee for domestic shipping. The most popular bundle is the 3-bottle offer, sold at $177. This translates to $59 per bottle. You get a 15% discount, plus free shipping. If you buy 6 bottles at once, you'll pay less for more. The 6-month bundle goes for $294, which means you'll part with $49 for each bottle. In addition, you'll receive free shipping. As you've seen throughout the review, this is a supplement that targets the root cause of tinnitus, inflammation in the brain. It's formulated using 100% natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about introducing harmful substances to your body. Even better, it has a 60-day money-back guarantee. This makes it risk-free to try since you can get your money back if you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Click the link on the description box or comment box below to get the best discount on Synapse Xt from the official website. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future review and to help YouTube algorithm in my favor. Thanks for watching.